Let's get the latest on the markets now. Ed Boyd, our business reporter, standing by. Ed, a good day for the market, which seemed pleased with the RBA's decision.
Kieran, great day for the ASX 200. It lifted about 1.5% today, and that 2:30 p.m. decision by the Reserve Bank, the market lifted about another 25 odd points after that. So ASX investors clearly pleased with the decision by the Reserve Bank today to keep the cash rate on hold. Tech stocks today were the best performers, up, gaining roughly 4% over the course of the day's trade. But the big takeout today from the meeting was the RBA has pledged to buy an additional $100 billion in government bonds, in addition to $100 billion it had previously pledged. So they're going to keep the money flowing into the economy, and that was welcomed by investors. If we take a look at this chart here, recapping some of the key takeouts from today's RBA meeting, cash rate on hold at 0.1%, the record low. The RBA expect the unemployment rate to fall from the current 6.6% down to 6% by the end of this year. And that 6% figure at the end of this year is down from a 6.5% prediction in November last year. So they're expecting employment to bounce back quicker. GDP growth this year of 3.5%. Last November, the expectation was for growth of 5% this year. But the economy has bounced back much stronger than the Reserve Bank expected in September and December quarters last year. So it's starting in a stronger position. Hence, because it's starting from a stronger position, growth won't necessarily be as strong as previously thought. And just finally, Kieran, the Reserve Bank say at the very end of their statement that they're not going to be raising interest rates at all until inflation is between 2% and 3%. And it's currently at 0.9%. So there's a while to go. The Reserve Bank say it's very unlikely they're going to raise rates until 2024 at the earliest.
OK, well, that's good news for mortgage holders and others. The RBA governor, we're going to hear more from him tomorrow at the press club, Ed.
Yes, it's his first big speech of the year, setting his agenda for the year. This is RBA Governor Dr. Philip Lowe. There was a lot of speculation that he would announce tomorrow potentially extending his bond buying program. Well, they've already done that today. So I'm sure Governor Philip Lowe is going to find a lot of topics to talk about tomorrow, but it's called the year ahead. It's just going to set the policy agenda and talk about Australia's economic growth and perhaps why they've improved their economic forecast for Australia today. So our business editor, Ross Greenwood, he is going to be there at the press club, and he'll be there to provide all analysis for us on Sky News.
Look forward to it. Ed Boyd, thanks.